Okay, so we are, you just get a knife blade or something in here and you split the two pieces of cardboard. And this one was glued together really nicely. Makes it a little hard, but we will get it apart. Okay, so inside here you have the instructions, and we will go through those and some of the fine points of those. And you have your metal. You could call it a sprue, just like the plastic. This is a very simple model with just a half sheet. One side is etched. You can see that etching to give it texture, whatever it needs. It's going to have the name there, right there of the cable car right there. And the rest is just various texturing. The other side is usually not seen once the model is built. Okay, so very simple. Some of these models require 3 or 4 sheets, and they're very complex. So I'm going to start with this simple one. Okay, so tells you what you've got for a model. Um, you've got a QR code you can go to, which will take you right to the website, and you can actually do a 360 view of this model as you work, so that if there's something you're unsure about exactly how it goes together, it will tell you how to do it. Okay, so it points out that there are tabs here. Let's do this. There are little tabs that stick out, and then there are some slots like that the tabs from another piece go into. There are also fold lines, so you have a clue how to fold it, and you're going to need a special, at minimum, a needle nose to fold it. Okay, and then you have the legend, which tells you that you've got when you're looking at the instructions, you're going to see something like that. That means it's the engraved side, and it points to it on the piece. You'll see that as we get into the instructions. And then any that's not blacked out is the non-engraved side. Okay, sometimes they'll point with a finger like that to an attention, something you've got to pay a lot of attention to get it right. And then you have here um, if they want you to insert the tab and then bend it over 90 degrees, it'll be a blue dot. If they want you to insert the tab and twist it 90 degrees, it'll be that green triangle. Okay. So then it says, if needed, slightly twist tabs to hold parts together, then untwist and bend them down for a nice finish. Okay. Recommended tools. Wire cutters. I'll show you my tools that I use. They're good for clipping the parts off of the sheet. It can be done by just bending them, but it's a lot cleaner if you clip them off. Tweezers or needle nose pliers. Um, they're the needle nose is absolutely indispensable. You need that. Tweezers, not so much, because you can't put enough pressure to hold it while you're twisting it. So you really need needle nose to do that. Okay. I'll show you my tools now that I use. These are a Metal Earth set. So we have this needle nose. Is springs open for you. There are some needle nose or tweezer type things that you can get that clamp closed, and those will come in handy in certain situations. I don't have one right here to show you. And then you have your your clippers to clip the pieces off of the sprue, off of the sheet, which is, you will see as we go along. And then in this particular set of tools, there is this, which is flat. And it's, if you bend something and you didn't mean to, it will allow you to flatten it back out and keep it smooth as if it was still on the sheet. So this is a very handy thing too. Okay, so that's the basics of how this is done. Your sheet is it shows you the sheet. We'll just do it this way. And this particular one, there's only one sheet to worry about. Other ones, the sheets will be numbered like A, B, C. And then so it points to the numbers of the part. They are not numbered on the sheet itself. So you need this little diagram to figure out which part is which. Okay. And then as you get into the instructions, you will see that the sheet is, they point to the item you need to start with, number one, and then you work your way through. And we will start that in the next video.